watching out for you.
And this is KOIN 6 News at 6. I'm Jenny Hansen in for Elizabeth Din.
And I'm Dan Tilkin in for Jeff tonight. Community reaction is heating up in Lake Oswego days after a ruling about access to the lake.
That's right. Elise Haas spoke with both sides of the case to find out what happened and the opposition to that decision.
The lawsuit has two phases, and the first one already happened. That was on Tuesday when a judge decided that Oswego Lake falls under the public trust doctrine. That basically means that people do have the right to access the water. However, that ruling doesn't apply just yet because the city still has a resolution in place that bans people from getting in the water. That resolution says that the city did not plan their parks with public use of the lake in mind and that there aren't safe entry points for people to get in. Therefore, they say that they don't want to be held liable if anyone were to get in the water and get hurt. So phase 2 of the trial is going to be fighting over the validity of that resolution.
I look at this location, it's like, oh, that's really nice, but I don't know anyone that has a home on the lake, so I will never have that opportunity.
People are weighing in with their thoughts on if the public should have access to Oswego Lake or leave it to the private landowners. Many telling me they'd love to simply take their canoe or paddleboard for a dip.
I can see both sides. You know, I can understand that if you're spending a lot of money on a home, like you want to have that, like that benefit of having some privacy, and but also, water should be accessible to everyone.
That's the argument Mark Kramer and Todd Prager are making in their latest lawsuit, suing for public access to Oswego Lake. According to their attorney, Mark is an avid kayaker and Todd an avid swimmer. Both men are activists involved in public rights issues outdoors. These two are the ones taking the city of Lake Oswego, the state of Oregon, and Lake Oswego Corporation to court.
We are not on the side of the plaintiffs. We are on the side of the defendants.
The general manager of Lake Oswego Corporation, who speaks for the landowners along the lake, says his shareholders' biggest concern is safety.
You know, you see a lot of people on social media saying, I'm going to go throw my power boat in the lake and I'm going to race it around and things like that. And of course, that can happen. There's no place to put a power boat in the lake.
I talked on the phone with a plaintiff's attorney, and she said, the Clackamas County judge's ruling earlier this week acknowledges that our state's natural resources can't be privatized. They must be protected for public use. We still have a ways to go for phase 2 of the trial, though, so you can't go in the lake today. And phase 2 of the trial that she is referring to won't even start until July 19th. But that is when a jury is going to have to decide whether the city's resolution that says it's unsafe to get in the water is considered reasonable or whether it's arbitrary and doesn't apply. In Lake Oswego, Elise Haas, KOIN 6 News.